Any mention? May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 9 and 10.
Item number 9.
9 and 10, Your Lordship.
Yes.
I pray for 2 weeks' time, Your Lordship.
Why? What for 2 weeks time?
Some difficulty, Your Lordship.
What difficulty? What is this matter about?
It's a POXO matter, Your Lordship.
Yes, you are appearing for?
I'm appearing for respondent number 4, Your Lordship. Item number 9.
Any objection? No objection.
No objection.
2 weeks. The request made.
Highly obliged, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 14. Lordship, in this matter, Lordship, due to some bona fide mistake, I could not file some relevant documents in the paper book, Lordship. So I may be allowed to induct those documents in the paper book, Lordship.
Item 14?
Item number 14.
Yes.
Yes, Lordship. In this matter, Lordship,
This
due
is
to...
criminal appeal.
Sorry, Lordship.
This is criminal appeal.
Yes, Lordship.
Yes.
In the paper book, I could not file some documents, Lordship. So I may be allowed to induct those documents in the paper book.
You make this thing intact.
Lordship.
Supplementary paper book. File supplementary paper.
Few documents, Lordship, not much, very few. Like 2-3
You come
documents.
as supplementary paper book. You have already submitted already.
Yes, Lordship.
Then you have to make a supplementary one. Even it is for 1 page or 2 pages. So you make it.
Just few documents, not much.
It has to be by supplementary paper
All
book.
right, all right, Lordship. All right.
Yes. Just say Mr. V.W. Lane Counsel appearing with the appellant says that the filing of supplementary paper book is necessary in this matter to bring on record some documents which were missed out when the main paper book was filed. Mr. P. prays for grant of some time. For how long will it take
2 weeks, Lordship.
for preparation of the supplementary paper book? Prayer allowed, list after 2 weeks. Yes.
Always.
May I please, Your Lordship? I beg to mention item number 11.
Yes.
My Lord, the similar matter is still pending before the division bench, my Lord, so I'm seeking some time.
No objection, Lordship.
When shall we have it? 4
Maybe.
weeks. Just say. On prayer made with up to list of 4 weeks. Yes.
Oblige, Lordship.
Similarly for item number 13 also, my Lord.
This is also same.
Yes, my Lord.
Same. No objection. This is also same. Yes.
Highly obliged.
May I please, Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 25. Your Lordship, the leading counsel in the matter is presently indisposed, so I respectfully seek a short accommodation of 2 weeks' time, Your Lordship.
Item 25.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Lordship, in this case, I'm appearing for respondent number 2 and 3, Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, last date it was our first appearance. We were proposing for filing our reply in this case, Lordship. So,
You file it. You file it. That will be open to you. On the last occasion, we allowed you to file this objection.
Lordship. Last occasion it was our past 2 weeks back was
That's all
first
right.
appearance.
We'll adjourn it. If that order is already there, you can file it.
Lordship.
Yes. On prayer made on behalf of the petitioner. This is matter after.
2 weeks, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Much obliged, Your Lordship.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes.
Beg to mention item number 12. Item number 12, Your Lordship.
Item number 12.
Yes, Lordship.
Yes.
This regarding the coal matter, Your Lordship. And a similar matter is pending before the division bench.
Yes. So what is the need of keeping this matter alive also? If it is
Can you have
this
this
matter is covered by the division bench matter, then wait for this. Yes.
No objection.
Can you have it after 4 weeks, Your Lordship?
12, 4 weeks on request made.
Right, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Right, Your Lordship.
Please, Lordship. Lordship, I beg to make a mention on item 6, Lordship, on behalf of Mr. Joe. Thank you, Lordship. James, thank you. Item 6, Lordship, on behalf of Mr. James. Thank you.
Yes.
Lordship, some difficulties in his behalf, Lordship. I've been instructed to mention on his behalf, Lordship.
Yes. This is what, Nakma?
Mom is not well.
Mr. Day, this is a Nakma matter?
Nakma matter, my lord.
And you were there for the
No, boundary is a Nakma matter where two Nakmas are.
dispute between two Akins.
Yes, two Nakmas, my lord.
No objection.
Since he has said yes.
Any interim order in this matter?
No, my lord. There is no interim order.
On prayer made by Mr. So-and-so. And the council let me on prayer made on behalf of Mr. JM. Thank you. Learned Council appearing with the petition. Not objected to by the Learned Council appearing with the respondents. List this matter after when?
2 weeks.
After 2 weeks. Yes.
Obliged.
May it please your Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 8. Item number 8, Lordship.
8.
Lordship, I pray that the matter be listed after 2 weeks.
All right. You will not have any objection because trial is stayed, isn't it?
My lord,
Proceeding before the trial court is stayed, I think.
my lord, actually, my accused persons were discharged, my lord. They were discharged against the discharge order they have
That is
challenged.
all
my
right.
lord.
That is all
Yes,
right.
my lord.
But in this proceeding, any interim order in this proceeding? No.
No, no. Here they've come against the order of discharge. We were discharged by the trial court.
So it's a different matter then. It's all right. This also, just say on prayer made on behalf of Dr. Manjika, London Council appearing with the petitioner, list after 2 weeks.
Lordship.
After 2 weeks. Well.
Lordship, similar prayer for item number 7.
Where is Dr. Manjika?
Lordship is having some personal difficulty today.
He is in station or is out of station?
In station, Lordship.
I am for the petitioner, ma'am.
Yeah, for the petitioner. So after 2 weeks? Same on prayer made on behalf of Dr. Manjika, London Council appearing with the respondents. You are also there in this. Item 7. State is also a party. State is also a party.
Ma'am.
List after 2 weeks. Yes.
Much obliged.
Supplementary cause list, item number 1.
May I please, my lords.
Yes.
This is one of those matters, my lords, which puts us as counsels in a little precarious position.
Why? Why? What is the difficulty?
I'll just take your lordship's word. My lords, may kindly come to page 3 once. Page 4. Page 3, my lords.
Page 3.
Not that it would have any bearing on the matter, my lords. It's just
Page 3 of the petition.
my lords.
Yes.
My lords may respond number 2, my lords.
Yes. It's a private party.
I'll not elaborate further. Your lordships have seen who's respond number 2.
Anyway,
No, what
all right.
the only issue here is, Millets, which is why I pointed this out in the first place. The issue here is, Millets, some order had been placed on my platform. I'm Flipkart, Millets. Order had been placed for a pair of shoes, Millets.
this restaurant number 2 is the complainant in this.
He's the complainant, Millets.
Yes.
So he had purchased some shoes, Millets, that had been was not to his liking at that point of time, and he wanted to refund it. The entire dispute arises from that place. Now, subsequently, an FIR was filed, Millets. FIR was filed in 2021, on 12/3/2021. My lords would find that at page 27. Just point out, my lords, what's the grievance of my...
This is the FIR record under 154.
My lords.
Yes. So where is the Ijahar? Where is the
My lords, at page 29, my lords would find it.
this entire text is
My lords, is a reproduction of the FIR.
there is no copy. How can is it legible? Can he read it out?
My lords, I was saying the same thing. If I may just, my lords,
You do not have a copy of the Ijahar which was filed by the.
no, my lords, unfortunately, that's not available. Do we have a copy?
Very difficult to read it.
My lords, I'll not even take your lordships to this issue.
Seems like a computer generated.
Computer generated text, my lords. The issue here is, my lords, that he had placed an order for a pair of shoes. shoes were given to him, my lords, that was not to his liking. He wanted to return it and seek a refund. Now, in that process, my lords, we said that some ID proof was to be provided. And there is some ambiguity, my lords. I'll just leave it at ambiguity at this stage, that whether it's provided or not provided, as such, that request could not be processed. I've sought instructions, my lords, for my briefing counsels. What we are simply praying at this stage is, my lords, your lordships may kindly keep these proceedings in abeyance. In so far as this issue is concerned, my lords, we will make an effort to resolve this entire matter. It does not need to get into the course of a criminal
Yes,
trial.
once you are there, so there is more likelihood that it will be resolved.
If I don't know about that, my lords,
Yes, Mr.
it's not one of those
Khan,
matters that needs.
So what is the outcome of the? It is 2021.
21 he files
So
the
what is the
FIR.
outcome of the?
Nothing, my lords, we don't know. Now, all of a sudden at page 32, 25, I get a notice under 41.
What you have done all these things? What your force? Your. It's, if FIR is of 2021, it is more than 4 years now. Then
We'll have to seek instruction.
we'll stay. We'll stay.
But Lordship, the only objection that I have is with page 2, the respondent. No, they have named the respondent, not whether there is an allegation of malafide against the concerned.
Page 2 of the.
State of Meghalaya, my lords, they've named the IO.
And how can sub inspector will represent the state?
That's what.
This matter. I've seen this, but which is why I'm saying I'm not even getting into any of the details of the matters. We can probably come back to your lordships and say that the entire matter has been sorted out. Probably need not even get into that aspect of entire investigation.
But then the state cannot be
Represented by seen that. It should have.
And more so, Your Lordship, I can't speak on his behalf.
This court has not even seen the cause title, so that is
Absolutely.
we hardly see cause.
We don't see whether we just see state of Meghalaya. I leave it to my
Lordship, if it's named
Then,
in person,
Mr. Paul, you correct it. Then
My lords, may kindly grant me liberty, my lords. We'll do it right now. If your lords kindly take it at the end of the board. This we'll just have it corrected right now. My lords. I think this is through oversight.
we'll allow them to correct it.
Lordship, as a Lordship. Otherwise, I can't take notice. If it's named Lordship, I can't. It has to be noticed.
We'll do the needful, my lords. We'll do it right.
Anyway, just say hard, Mr. Capel, Learning Council. Learned Senior Council. Assisted by Son.
My lords. K.
Next week, मिलेगा हम लोग
For the petitioner,
को दिला God should.
issue notice. Returnable in 3 weeks. Mr. Khan, Learned Senior PP. APS. Senior PP, along with Mr. Sangupta, APS for the number 1.
FIR is not.
The petitioner shall take steps for service of notice upon the opposite party or respondent. Well, you do not know what you do with.
I'm sorry, my lords.
It is to be addressed to be as respondent or opposite parties. This is not a miscase.
Miscase.
So it should be a respondent.
Respondent, my lords.
So here you have given opposite party. There are
My lords, the difficulties, my lords, the nomenclature differs a little from
Anyway,
court to court. It's come from Delhi.
respondents. The petitioner takes steps for service of notice upon the respondent number 2 within 2 days. Stop. It is pointed out by Mr. Jin Inspector Khan Learned AG that the state of Meghalaya is sought to be. It says that there appears to be a mistake in the cause title, insofar as it is shown in the cause list that the state of Meghalaya is represented by a sub-inspector of police. Stop. Mr. Paul Lund, Senior Counsel, appearing for the petition.
और क्या मैटर है हम लोग
Please for
है ना
liberty to correct the mistake. Pays for permission. Just say pays for permission to correct the mistake. Say permission granted. The petitioner shall make necessary correction in the cause title. Then say list after 3 weeks. There is a miscase also.
Yes, my lords.
Do you require that it should be stayed if you have to settle it?
Well, if to settle it, my lords, there would have to be some kind of intervention from my lords.
Miscase. Just a hard. Learned counsel appearing to the parties on the prayer for interim relief. Stop. We're not passing in a very elaborate order by recording
it's
of submission because all the grounds.
Well, it's short order, my lords. I'm not even pressing on the legal issues.
The consideration submission made by the parties and perusal of materials on record. You just say from, just say from on consideration so and so. And on perusal material records, it appears that the FIR number there is no police case station number. There is Mr. Paul. This is only it comes nowadays like this.
FIR bearing number so and so, my lords. I can just take your lordships.
Okay, hearing number. Just see the prayer, 0081 dated 2000 was filed.
It says FIR white case number 81
Was
3 of
more
2021.
than
That's long, right?
4 years back. Stop. It further appears that no step was taken by the investigating authority. No immediate step was taken by the investigating authority to investigate the matter.
My lords.
In view of the above, it is ordered that further investigation in connection with the said FIR number so and so shall remain stayed till the next date.
My lords. I leave that.
Lordship, if a legible copy of the FIR are given to us also,
We'll find. That did not fall from your lordships in an order. We'll ensure that.
That is all within your thing. If you make a call, it will reach you. You want to? Why you want to?
But it is ultimately the state police who is coming.
Furnish as a written
More
this
legible.
we cannot make out.
Lordship, but Mr. Paul has not made an important submission. What has happened to the night show? Maybe he can donate few to the bar.
Item number 2.
Obliged.
Yes.
Please, Lordship, this is a release of the some service benefit, Your Lordship. That,
Oh, this is a writ petition.
yes, repetition. No, what
I'll
happened
take
is
instruction, my lord, in this matter.
What is this? What is the matter?
Actually,
Actually,
I'm the wife of the deceased
allow the
employee.
court to at least understand the matter. What is
the
that?
deceased employee? I'm my husband was working as a superintendent, as a regular employee.
Service
And-
benefits?
Yes, and then he died on the 2020 on hardness while he was still in service. There is some entertainment which the GHDC themselves has admitted that I'm some entertainment to be received. So as per that entertainment, that letter I'm supposed.
25 years they have not
Yes,
given
they
you
have not
anything.
released. That's income.
It is 2nd April 2025. Now, whether it is under process or not, my lord, I need to take instruction and I will file a small affidavit also if required.
Somebody you should take care how a person will survive if you do not release any service benefit. Yes, hard, Mr. Petisama.
It is not the employee who is coming, my lord. He has expired, my lord. If my lord may kindly come to page
Yes, I said
16,
I'm
my
the
lord.
wife.
Page 16, serial number 3. This is a mistake. How they can communicate to late R.B. Mara. He is already dead, my lord. Superintendent Engineer, serial number 3, my lord. If my lord may kindly see them, copy 2. That is
Down below.
Yes, my lord. Copy 2.
It's by his officer
now-
only.
You have to send it by special messenger.
To send someone, my lord. My lord, and here, my lord, whether the succession certificate has been submitted or not, that also for that.
Anyway, just you take instruction.
My lord, I will take
Okay.
instruction.
Normally, if the name of the wife appears in service record, succession may not be required.
May not be needed, but sometime, my lord, because, my lord,
Depend upon the department if they insist. That is.
because sometime, my lord, here, what happened, we have experienced, my lord, 2-3 wives are there.
Actually,
So
there is
claim
only-
and counter claim.
If
So normally the office for their own.
No, there cannot be any assumption until unless you
My
get.
lord, we have faced this kind of.
there is any other wife,
Or if
then,
you have personal information.
No, no, no.
Yes, Mr. Petitioner, Learned Counsel has the petition and issue notice returnable in 3 weeks. Mr. S. Day. All your
For all the
report, all
respondents.
the
yes, for all the
yes, for all the respondents. Stop. The Learned Counsel for the respondents shall obtain necessary instruction in the matter. List after 3 weeks.
Hello.
Lordship. Much pleasure, Lordship.
Item number 3.
May I please, Your Lordship? I kindly seek for one week time, Your Lordship.
Yes, you are appearing for 3 and 4.
I'm for respondent number 2, Your Lordship.
Yes, for respondent number
2, Your Lordship.
2. Then who is appearing for respondent number 1 to 5? 1 and 5.
1-5, my lord, they have not been represented, my lord.
Not
In
entered.
fact, a notice has been served,
Okay, okay.
but unrepresented, my lord, till date.
Okay. So, you need further time to take instruction. You have not received instruction over.
No, Your Lordship.
What for you need time?
For instructions, Your Lordship.
I will post it for hearing now since service is completed.
Okay, then we will post it for hearing. In the meanwhile, you can have it. This is a revision, isn't it?
Yes, my lord.
So, just say no representation. You are? Okay. So at least 1 and 5 is absent. So we'll list it for hearing then. Okay. Just say right from Mr. Panthi, record all the lawyers present on behalf of so and so. Then give paragraph. Learned counsel for the parties submit that the matter is ready for hearing. Stop. Then aspirate for list. After 2 weeks for hearing. After 2
Deeply
weeks.
pleasure.
Highly obliged, Your Lordship.
Item number 2.
Yes.
My lord, I'm seeking some time because the paper book is incomplete, so I need some more time, my lord.
So you need some more time for preparation paper book.
Yes, my lord.
The learned counsel appearing with the apparent praise for and granted further. How long time?
3 weeks, my lord.
3 weeks time for preparation paper. Yes.
Similarly for item number 4, my lord. Same.
Same order. Same order. Same counsel. Yes.
Lordship.
Yes.
Apply, Lordship. Item number 5.
Please, Your Lordship. So affidavit of service has been filed.
Yes. You filed a fresh affidavit of service.
Yes. Proper affidavit with certificate, my lord.
So he has been served.
Yes, yes, my lord.
In respect of respondent number?
4, ma'am.
Yes.
May I please, Your Lordship? Your Lordship, as per the last order, I have to file my objection, Your Lordship. I need some more time, Your Lordship, to file my objection.
Just let us just first finish the
Yes.
service part, then we'll come to your submission.
Yes.
Yes. Sri Tosef Reza.
Yes, ma'am.
Madam, so and so. Wait. So none of the parties have filed any objection.
Respondents number 5 and 6
5
have,
and 6.
they are willing to file an objection. Respondent 4 has not appeared yet.
Okay. Okay. Just in terms of the. Yeah, do not say these things. Just say the Learned Counsel for the petitioner submits that an affidavit showing the effectum of delivery of notice upon the respondent number 4 has been filed by enclosing a proper certificate of delivery issued by the postal department. Stop. However, there is no appearance on behalf of the said respondent. Stop. Mr. Ranjay, you will be not filing anything.
No, my lord.
Mr. J.N. Ranjay, Learned Government Notice present on behalf of the respondent number 3. M.S. Eddie Sharma.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Learned Counsel appearing for the respondent number 5 is 6. Praise for grant of some more time for filing objection in this matter.
4 weeks time, Your Lordship. 4 weeks time.
Why
Your
4
Lordship.
weeks?
Because the records are not here, Your Lordship. I have to go to the police station and get everything, Your Lordship.
No, before going, you can file. You can leave. Anyway, what about 4 weeks?
4 weeks might be too long, my lord.
3 weeks, Your Lordship.
Just say prayer, Lord. List this matter after 3 weeks. Yes.
So please.
Hearing item number 15.
Please, Your Lordship, this leading counsel, the senior advocate Andy Shola is on leg. So if this matter may be taken up next week, Your Lordship, or after a week. Okay. I'm okay with that.
After a week will be okay.
Because this matter, Lordship, will take some time. So maybe
That is what you see, because now the number of cases are more here. So
Understood.
basically, just for passing order of adjournment,
My lord, my lord, maybe on a non-DB day, if there is such a day, my lord.
okay, just
Yes,
arrange with her. So
very well, very well.
I'm not putting any specific date.
Very well.
Yes, Your Lordship.
But after a week.
You can use your influence. Just on request made on behalf of Mr. Andy Shulai, Learned AG appearing for the subordinate, list this matter after 1 week.
After a week, yes.
After a week, yes.
My lord, if I may,
Handle it.
with your permission, Learned AG, he's coming, Lord.
He's coming.
Lordship.
Once you have passed. So Shulai, you have kept it for. It's all right. It will come up after a week. You have passed order.
Lordship, what happened, Your Lordship, in this case, Your Lordship, the state will have to start because we have raised the point of maintainability of this writ petition, Your Lordship. And that, give me the file, please. And there was
we'll
an
have
order.
it. We'll have it after a week because we have already passed an order
Lordship.
to have it after a week.
Lordship, then I have no problem, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Second call, so Mr. Costless.
Highly apply, Your
Item,
Lordship.
item number 3.